So I styled this with a pair of heels and those cargo pants I made last year. And this is for the first look. For the second look, I went over with a pair of sneakers. And for the third look, I just basically put a bomber jacket. And this bomber jacket, I made it some months back. It's actually a reversible bomber jacket.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifoma. I'm a fashion designer and a pattern dressmaker. On today's tutorial, we're going to be making this. It's a crop top with like safety pins around here. You don't need to have a sewing machine to like do this. All you need is your scissors and the basic pin. So all that, the info will be in the video, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for the support you guys showed me on my previous video. Oh my god, the love was so much. Thank you one more time. So let's just head right into this tutorial.
You'll be needing a vest for this tutorial, or you could also use like a normal regular bodycon top, but for this tutorial I'm using a vest. So I'm going over to mark my openings and how short I want my crop top to be. You can do this to your desired length. So after taking down this measurements with the chalk, here's the other things we'll be needing for this tutorial: our scissors, the safety pins, and the tape. But we really don't need the tape, so yeah. I made sure that I put the vest in place before cutting. So once that is done, I'm basically going to cut out the front following the chalk mark. So guys, when you're cutting this out, please make sure you're not cutting your front with your back. So you need to check. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the dumbbell so you get notified when I post a new video, like, comment, and of course share. So I'm going over now to detach my safety pins. And I'm just pinning that down. So I decided to just take this over to try it on and insert the safety pin. I ended up with an asymmetric bottom line. I didn't have to cut anything. I just did this while clipping that with the safety pins. So voila, here's what it looks like. I styled this out with my bomber jacket I made, and Thank you guys for watching. The link to my Instagram handle is going to be in the description box below. Bye bye.